5 seconds. Start. There was an unwritten law among the Porbandar Memnos living in South Africa that death should be preferred to bankruptcy stop. It was impossible for Tayyab Seth to pay down the whole sum of about 37,000 and cost stop. He meant to pay not a pie less than the amount, and he did not want to be declared bankrupt stop. So there was only one way. Dada Abdullah should allow him to pay in moderate installments stop. He was equal to the occasion and granted Tayyab Seth installments spread over a very long period stop. It was more difficult for me to secure the concession of payment by installments than to get the parties to agree to arbitration stop, but both were happy over the result and both rose in the public estimation stop. My joy was boundless stop. I had learnt the practice of law stop. I had learnt to find out the better side of human nature and to enter men's hearts stop. I realized that the true function of a lawyer was to unite parties driven as under stop. The lesson was so indelibly burnt into me that a large part of my time during the 20 years of my practice as a lawyer was occupied in bringing about private compromises of hundreds of cases stop. I lost nothing thereby, not even money, certainly not my soul stop. In our opinion, the lawyers should advise their clients to try for mediation for resolving the disputes stop, especially where relationships like family relationships, business relationships are involved. Otherwise, the litigation drags on for years and decades, often running both the parties stop. Hence, the lawyers as well as litigants should follow Mahatma Gandhi's advice in the matter and try for arbitration or mediation stop. This is also the purpose of Section 89 of the Code of Civil Procedure stop. Let the matter be referred to the Bangalore Mediation Center stop. The parties are directed to appear before the Bangalore Mediation Center on 21st February 2014 stop stanza. The next case is of an appellant contractor, a partnership firm engaged in the construction business, who was awarded a contract by the respondent state government for construction of a dam stop. During the execution of the said work, the executive engineer in charge of the project made certain additions, alterations, and variations in respect of certain items of work and directed the appellant to carry out the same also stop. the appellant filed a consolidated statement of claims for the additional works stop